Hi kids, today we will learn alphabet. So let's go. A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for doll, D for doll. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for giraffe, G for giraffe. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jellyfish, J for jellyfish. K for king, K for king. L for lion, L for lion. M for moon, M for moon. N for nut, N for nut. O for orange, O for orange. P for potato, P for potato. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for snake, S for snake. T for train, T for train. U for unicorn, U for unicorn. V for vegetable, V for vegetable. W for whale, W for whale. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel Smart Learning for Kids. Subscribe